Hey, good morning everybody. Mr. Dassey here, the Birdman, giving you an update on the martins. I got more, but it's been cold this year, so I felt really sorry for them. Sometimes they come back too soon, but not really. But they're just a chirping today, this morning, so I'm gonna bring you a little video. Let's see, it's Thursday, May 11th. I got 5:43 in the morning, and they're just hanging out. As soon as the sun comes up, I'm sure they're going to be out doing their flying and getting some bugs. See if I can get up. Oh, I guess I can't get up closer. And there they go. That's just some of them. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's just 12 right there. And I still got a bunch right here. And some in there yet. So. Okay, I'll let them fly around and then I'll let them talk instead of me talking. Okay. Let me go up and I'll see how they are. They really love this house. There's a pair right there, see? Male, female. See female to the right and the male to the left. See what's I like about that when they sit right side by side right there? It's like there's a couple right there, you know? So I'll walk up and see how they are. There they go. Okay, and then I'll do a wide shot. Okay, I'll go back and do a wide shot. Look at them guys go. Wow, they're just, okay, I'll go back and then, go back and do a wide angle and let them guys do the talking when they come back in. Oh, now they're way the heck up there. Oh my God, look at that. The birds, look at that, they're way up. Here, we'll see if they come back down in now. Yeah, here they come. So I'll be quiet, you guys can listen to them. Oh yes, I'm doing good this year. Wow. Yeah, they all leave the same time, but when they come back in spurts. So it's like they pack up and leave at the same time, but when they're coming, they come from Brazil. So they fly back at different times, you know, on their journey back. I don't know how far Brazil is, but. Yeah, pretty many there and pretty many there. Yeah, now as it's getting warmer, it's supposed to get better today, so you'll hear a little bit more out of them. So I'll probably do another one later, but since they're all here, I thought I'd get out here now and do one, you know, because I know you guys like my videos. And yeah, I surely got more than 12 now. I didn't even take a count. I got so many, but yeah. And for me, each year, if I get about the same, it's fine. If I get a couple more, it's fine. If I get a couple less, it's fine, because as long as they come back and I got them, that's all that counts. As long as they come back, that's all it is. So I've been doing this for about 25 years now. Okay, I got almost 5 minutes gone, so from the one and only Birdman Pete, I have the day off today, so just got out here and thought I'd shoot a little moment for you guys with the birds. Okay, adios from the one and only Birdman Pete. Okay, to Pete the Birdman, I'm going to do one more video. This time I'm going to let the birds talk. I'm not going to take over. I'll let them guys take over. So here we go. See, you want those guys to talk? I have the phone shut off. Then they're noisy. Now I got it on. Now they're just looking at me. Okay, I'll do one more run up for you guys this morning. There's a male right there, looking at me. There's a female right there. They're just sitting back and kicking back right there. See, when you get out, when you stay out here for a while, then you get kind of used to you. Because I'm like maybe 6 feet away and they're just looking. It's just that when you first get out here, see on the second one, that's a female, and then on the 2 down on the bottom, that's a male. So one, that's a female, and then on the 2 down on the bottom, that's a male. So yeah, when you stay out here, they get kind of used to you. Oh, there they go. Okay, there's the female still looking at me like, hey, what are you doing there, Birdman? Yeah, then there's the rest up there, so. Yeah, the sun was coming up, but it's kind of cloudy right now, but I'll just stay right here. Maybe it'll still die break out, so. There's sun out right there. Yeah, it's kind of dark. I wish it would be. Right now it's kind of cloudy. The sun's got to get up higher, but maybe I'll get out here later and do one in the bright sunlight. But I just wanted to show you guys what it sounds like when they're all talking here, you know. So. Yeah, there's a good set, male and female, male to the right, female to the left. Okay, I'm going to go back a little bit and watch them come back in. Even though some of them didn't even move this time. Yeah, they get like that. The more you're out here, the more they get used to you. So. I'll do another 5-minute video. I'm at 4:05 right now, so. If the sun was directly out and it was a little bit warmer, it is kind of cool out here. It would be more noisier. So. Oh, there's some coming in now. Maybe they'll make a little noise. I like how they just swoop right in. See if I can get some to swoop right in. we go. Okay, from the one and only Birdman Pete, I hope you like my videos. I'll catch you later, guys.